Alrighty guys, welcome to what I'm assuming will be a shorter episode of Denver Beer and Oil. I posted that video where I fixed this car and one of you guys commented, shame, no audio clips. So that's ideally what this entire video is going to be. As you can see, we're in the car for the first time in a long time. And yeah, so we're driving to that same windmill location. A friend of ours, Johan, said he might be going there. So maybe we'll meet up, get two E30s. He's got a turbo M20 stroker. I'm in the M60 6-speed, and I've got a little GoPro mount that I'm gonna try and like chuck it on the exhaust, see if we can get some cool exhaust sounds. I've got these spectacles, so I can do this. And now I'm talking to you guys from the spectacle, the POV point of view. And we're just gonna go see what kind of footage we can get. Should be good, and some photos. Hello YouTube, it's me again, your boy Ham, and me. And my girlfriend Olivia. We're gonna go for a little drive. This is a drive I used to do a lot when I had my E38. Not so much now that I've got this car, mainly because it's pretty unreliable. But we've got the chance, it's getting dark, so let's get after it. Suction cup mount like this, I could, hold on. I could put another one here and then suction cup it, and it would be 2 points of contact holding it.
That'd be smart.
Yeah.
Pretty mountains.
They are pretty mountains. Here you guys go. That's what Boulder looks like. Not really. This is like next to Boulder.
Just the empty part.
Yeah, this is the empty part. Either way, we'll be right back. Yep, we are good to go. So not flooring it or anything, that was 80. Does it pretty easy. It's really long, so you're kind of just able to cruise the whole time. Not a big deal at all. The sounds squeaky from everything, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was really fun for me. Got to go on an old route and everything, and yeah, I had a blast. If you guys want to know what the exhaust is, it's in a few of the earlier videos. It's X5 swap headers modified. It's a true dual. It's a 2.5-inch stainless steel. Goes to an X pipe and then resonators, and then to this MagnaFlow knockoff muffler here. Sounds great. So yeah, hopefully you guys count that as content. I really hope you do, and if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, let me know, and yeah, more content to come. Take it easy, guys. Have a great one.